Les here, Chief Analyst of BG Trading in Australia, and I thought about giving a quick update on Droneshield, ASX code this DRO. We have posted a video about Droneshield last week by memory, and we put together this stock analysis for our VIP members back in March when we thought about that Droneshield was a very good opportunity to buy in between 70 to 80 cents. In fact, we had a BGS 20 target at $1. The stock has gone to $2, far exceeding our target. Regardless, some of our VIP members are probably traded this stock and has been profitable for them. Today, the stock is down 25%, 23%. We want to understand why, because we have a lot of people asking, a lot of our members from our free Facebook community asking what's happening with Droneshield and why it's falling that much. Remember, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading sharing with you how we apply our strategies together with our VP members to know when to buy and when to stocks to chase 20 to 40% within 1 to 3 month lead time. How we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid buying stocks at the FOMO area, and much more. If you like this channel, you like the content, please subscribe and share this video with someone that you believe could be interested. Also, I wanted to invite you to become a member of our free Facebook community, which we call Buy, Grow, and Sell Strategy for Share Traders. A lot of great quality content here, including access to some stock analysis and all our videos. So let's understand first the dynamics of the market, and then we're going to be talking about the importance of always buying stock at technically discounted price or at technically fair price, but avoid buying at the FOMO area, because stocks in the FOMO area in what we call, and I'm sorry for that, but I have to say this, in what we call a highly manipulated market with short trading activity allowed, that's what happened. We have those huge crashes. So I don't like short trading activity. Can we make money out of short trading? Yes, of course. But I think if we into investing or trading stocks, we wanted to ensure we look into the true value. Otherwise, we can just go to crypto or something. But anyway, short trading activity brings some of these companies into big financial trouble, because many high quality companies have their share price smashed and unable to raise capital successfully just because short trading activities are allowed. Anyway, this is what happened, and we cannot complain. We can only play the way we want it within this financial system. Anyway, back into Droneshield, it's down by 22%, and we try to understand why this is down. That's company says released a note after a going in trading halt that Capital Breath has released this article about short sellers circling Droneshield as its near wide $2 billion market cap. Now, guess what? Who would be the short sellers? Anyway, I'm not gonna say this, but look, the thing is, when you start sort of instigating for or stimulating short seller activities or attention for short seller, then obviously the stock crashes because everyone freaks out. Okay, even though this company is doing incredibly well. For full disclosure, I'm not holder of this stock. We have as I say, like we have analyzed this stock for our VP members in March, where we put entry opportunity between 70 to 80 cents for 30% profit, with the target to lock down well below where the stock has gone. Now that brings to our attention a very important element of a BG S20 strategy, which is why we should avoid buying stocks at a FOMO area. So stocks like trading well above the SMA 250 and the SMA 40 altogether. So if you don't know what SMA 250 and SMA 40 is, we're talking about simple moving averages. We teach members and students in our online trading course. So just go to bgtrading.com.au if you wanted to know exactly what we're talking about. But ideally, you want to be buying any stock at or under those moving averages, ideally from both moving average altogether. But sometimes if it is in strong uptrending like this, we want to just buy at moving average sort of moving average 40 days. Now, the last time the Droneshield has gone touching into the moving average was in 23rd of May, where it was just under $1. It's at 90 cents. Okay? Look, that's where people are supposed to be buying the stock. Now, if you bought right here at the top, that obviously brings with a lot more risk. So you just gotta make sure you understand that. And then obviously short trading activities allowed. So stocks that has gone up a lot, then they tend to be shorted, and it doesn't matter if they keep its strong fundamentals, the stock will crash anyway, because institutional investors will make money out of the fall or out of the crash. Unfortunately, that's how it works. Okay. Anyway, if we're going to be analyzing from the technical aspect, so the RSI is still in ascendant mode, and essentially we could see another another day which Droneshield could fall under $2 again. And I think, look, according to this particular chart formation, if Droneshield in the next few days comes under $1.50 I think this is a buy. And the reason I think this is a buy was explained in the last video about Droneshield, which I'm putting the access right here, where we talk about the fundamentals of the company and the latest contracts. So that's why I think it would be a buy. But not at the moment, not in the FOMO area. As I said in my last video, I said we should hold the stock, but not buy at the current levels. In the last video, I think this Droneshield was just trading around $2.20, $2.50. So, and that's the problem when you buy that, and you can get wiped out. And if you are for the short term, you're not looking to the long term, then that's when you get losses start to accumulate in a trading account, which we don't want that. So regardless what happened, so the fundamental is still the same, hasn't changed anything, okay? But technically, we have this huge potential suggests to be a reversal, a huge reversal candle with a red candle with a huge volume, okay? Now, look, how I like to play. I actually traded this stock today, intraday. Anyway, so it was a good intraday trade. We made about $1,000. That's it. I just bought a little bit. But anyway, how I would like to buy this stock if I'm gonna buy again. Now, first of all, you gotta look what's happening on the upcoming full year result. How is the company funded to be able to assemble, build the drones and the weapons for the upcoming contracts, the contracts that they have just signed up? That's one question, okay? So and the reason I'm sort of stimulating you to think about that is because we might have another capital raising on the way. So I don't know. We need to see how much cash these guys have on a bank account. So secondly, another reason I think we need to analyze if you're going to be buying this is whether they're going to be bringing new contracts still, because the last 3 months we had one contract per month. Okay, so now, as this article here from Capital Brief said, there wasn't any news for the last month, pretty much. So what the market would be expecting to keep this momentum is to bring another contract. Okay, another similar news, because the last few contracts was, the last couple of contracts only alone represented 20% of the last year revenue alone. So it's pretty big. So just put in perspective, that's why this rally has intensified so much. Now we need to know whether will be any further contract on the pipeline. If yes, is the contract going to happen? Yes. If it's another contract, and what's the percentage of the contract on the last financial year revenue? So we can have a brief idea where the rally could continue, or we might really going to be dominated by short traders. When I say we, I don't know why, but I'm not holding this stock anymore. We traded today, but I'm not holding this stock. Last, just to finalize this video, I think if we were to buy this stock now, with these current circumstances, with short traders being stimulated to start jumping to this particular stock, I would be looking for buying Droneshield under $1.50, okay, provided that we have an announcement of another contract coming up, okay. And then also we'll be, ideally we're going to be looking at a reversal somehow around $1.50, okay. I think that will be reasonably safe according to BJS20 strategy. Avoiding buying stocks in the formal area, buying stock at technically discounted price, which is under the SMA 40, and ideally, which is not going to be this case, ideally under the SMA 250, but it's not going to be this case because the company has improved its fundamental incredibly well. Anyway, for us, it's not a stock that I'll be looking at buying right now until it goes under the SMA 40. If you have any questions, please put in the comments below, and I'll be very, very happy to answer all those questions. If you don't agree with what I'm saying, also put in the comments below. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.